What's going on?
Nothing.
He said you tried to hit him with a frying pan and you're lighting pillows on fire. She tried to hit you with the frying pan.
Oh, yes.
On March 28th, just after midnight, deputies with the Independence County Sheriff's Office responded to what was reported as a domestic disturbance between two partners. But what initially sounded like another late-night argument quickly escalated after one person allegedly began throwing household items, including a cast-iron frying pan and dishes, while repeatedly shouting, "Burn it down." As deputies worked to separate those involved and uncover what had happened, they learned the confrontation was allegedly fueled by ongoing alcohol-related issues.
Hello. What?
My
What?
name's Steve Rudisill.
Okay. I'm Deputy Robinson. Where's she at?
She's in the house.
That's your girlfriend?
Yeah, we were girlfriend and boyfriend, but here lately, back in December, she
tried to hit you with.
she threw a damn little cast iron frying pan at me. Of course, I ducked inside my bedroom door, and
Is the door unlocked?
yeah. She was yelling, "Burn it down!" You know.
I can come in. I can come in here.
Huh?
I can come in here.
No, I'm not gonna go in there.
Are
we good to go in there?
Yeah. She go in and do right on.
Hey, Jimmy. This is the sheriff's office. What's going on?
Nothing.
He said you tried to hit him with a frying pan and you're lighting pillows on fire.
I set my pillow on fire. I don't have a frying pan.
Okay, well there's a frying pan on the couch. You didn't try to hit him with it.
Who?
Your boyfriend.
No, but I will if you want me to.
That's not what I'm saying. So what's going on?
I'm real depressed other than that.
Okay, do you need to see anybody for it or anything like that? Do you need to get checked out?
Probably.
So you want Vitalink to come check you out?
Who?
Vitalink, the hospital?
No.
Don't want the ambulance come out here and talk to you?
No.
Okay. Okay. Have you been drinking?
Yeah.
What?
That?
What's in the cup?
Bourbon and Coke.
Okay. How much have you had to drink?
Not enough for you to be here.
I mean, we got called for a reason, so.
Who called you?
Your boyfriend.
That's funny.
So what's going on?
I hate him.
You hate him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Big time.
Okay, why are you trying to attack him?
I didn't attack him.
Okay. Were you breaking glass and everything else?
Yeah.
Okay, why are you doing that for?
Because I hate him.
Because you hate him?
Yeah.
Okay. Why are y'all living together then?
Because he won't move out.
So this is your place?
I own it.
Okay.
He won't move out.
Do you have any ID on you, ma'am?
I live here. This is my place. He is not
10-4 if you copy.
invited. Been trying to get rid of him for years. But he won't move out.
What's your name? Because what?
Because I'm angry.
Okay, but you just threw it at us.
I did not. I threw it on the table.
In our direction. Where did it go out?
Sorry, I have a broke leg.
Shoot.
Well, who called you?
Your boyfriend.
That's debatable. He lives here. I try to kick him out. He won't move.
Okay, you need to go through the eviction process if you want to do that.
I've tried. Many times.
Where's your ID? Where do you keep your ID?
In the wallet.
That's her. Again. Her medical.
It's in the wallet.
Like this part?
Yeah.
What's
Look.
behind it?
You're a puppy.
My puppy?
Yeah, kid.
I'm a kid? Okay. Well, I'll be right back, okay?
Do I need to show you the way?
No, I know the way.
I figure. Then get out of my house.
No, we're not leaving just yet.
Good.
I said we're not leaving just yet.
I said good.
Okay.
Children.
Okay. Here, step out here.
I am not entertained.
Here, step.
Sorry, I have a broke
Here,
leg.
well, step out here. You're not going
I
back
am
inside.
trying. I have a broke leg.
Okay, well, you try to shut the door.
I need to hold on to something. I have a broke leg.
Okay. What was his name?
Stretch.
Stretch?
Steve Rudisill.
Hang out with her for a second, if you don't mind.
Please.
Yeah.
You got any idea on you, man?
Yeah.
So, what's the full story? So,
You want to hear
yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Well, she broke her leg back in December.
Okay.
Okay. And I've been here,
Okay.
taking care of all
I got you. So, what happened tonight?
Tonight, today I had a buddy of mine come over. We was bush hogging and everything. You know, I thought everything would be getting better. Okay. I come in, she's bawling her eyes out. I asked her what's going on, and she starts going, "Get the f*** out," you know, and starts cussing me. And she throws a couple of dishes out of the dish pan at me. I go in the bedroom and she throws frying pan, all kinds of shit, and just yelling, "Get the fuck out! Get the fuck out!"
Do you live here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you live here as well.
Yes,
Okay,
my address is here.
Did she hit you with anything?
No.
Were you hit? You didn't get hit.
No.
What are you trying to do?
I tired of her being drunk all the time.
Okay.
She stayed drunk for the last 3.5, 4 months.
Okay.
And I just can't take it. You know, I'm trying to find some place. I went to the Batesville Housing Authority and put a thing in with them today, an application in, and I talked to the guy at the VA. I only get like.
Did you clean up the dishes or anything? Or did the dishes break?
Oh yeah, they broke all over.
Did you already clean it up?
Yes, I picked them
You
up.
picked them up. Okay.
Yes, I didn't want the dog stepping on it.
Okay.
I didn't want her stepping on
Now
it.
she tried to hit you with the frying pan.
Oh yes, she
Okay.
threw it at the door.
Are you wanting to press charges, or you want a report
No.
done?
I don't want to press any charges with her. I just she needs to realize that she doesn't need to act like that.
I got you. Is there any place you can go tonight?
I'll try to call my buddy Ron. See if I
Okay.
can get a hold
Till
of him.
she can calm down. But
Yeah. Okay. So, you know, because I talked to her sister and Lester tonight, and they said, "Well, if it gets too bad for you, Stretch, just call 911." All right.
okay. So I mean,
I was
at
going to take a shower and just lay down in bed, just relax.
any point did you feel threatened by her or anything like that?
Just when she had that, you know, cast iron silk, you know.
Mhm.
I mean, hell, I know she's just drunk, you know. If she'd straighten up, it'd be a whole different story. You know that as well as I do. So that's why I don't even drink anymore.
I got you.
I was with my old boss, started in on that shit, and that's why I moved here.
I got you. Are you willing to do a report? Or you don't want to do one?
No, that's not. Just
Okay. Sorry. I mean, are you refusing and all that stuff, or I mean, if anything, just let her sleep it off, and you know, just if you can hang out here until she calms down, whatever. I mean, I will tell her if we have to come back out here, or whatever. But I mean,
yeah.
has she ever gotten in trouble or anything like that?
No,
Was she-
neither one of us has.
Okay.
You know, we're pretty quiet. You know, I used to do outfitting. I'm too old to do that shit, mechanic work and stuff. Hell, I'm 67 years old. I do a little
got you.
bit for SSI, you know, so.
Okay.
Hell.
Well, just hang tight. I'm gonna go speak with her. Okay.
What do you want?
First one's gonna come back to us. Carol or Jimmy Taylor out of Sulphur Rock, Class B valid, traffic, no number 16.
Yeah, I'm Jimmy.
10-4.
Your second returns to Stevens Rudisill out of North Little Rock, Class D valid.
Come over here, Sam, real quick.
What? Y'all don't know what the you're doing. You're in the middle of nothing.
You need to get your hand out of my face.
Sorry.
Go back over there.
Okay. Actually, we're gonna take her to jail. You're gonna
What?
because
What am I threatening?
yeah, you got
Oh,
you just got him off his face, so you're gonna go to jail. You can't be civil, and I'm not gonna leave you here. Okay? So you're gonna go to jail. We could have done this a whole different way, but you just changed that.
I was
Well,
trying to be
you were
civil
the
with
one
you.
that came in my yard.
Yeah, because we have a good reason to be here.
Why?
Because we got called because you're throwing pans and throwing stuff and breaking things.
My leg is broke.
Okay, I've got a hold of you if you want to take a step.
Well, I need to take the left step down first.
Okay.
Tell Steve I ain't gonna
Hey,
bail
Steve.
him out of these. Steve, are you really having
She's-
me arrested?
She's going to jail, okay? Because she got in my officer's face, and we're going to take a different route, okay? So I'm going to have you do a statement on what happened tonight, okay?
All right.
Just
Oh,
hang
by
tight.
the way, Steve, find someplace else to live. I really need to.
Well, you're going to hold it till we get to the jail.
Oh, God damn it.
We'll just carry her.
Oh, wait, I can get up.
Get on your butt.
I'm trying, you're hurting me.
We're not hurting you.
The Independence County Sheriff's Office did not release any additional information regarding this case. According to available records, the suspect was released from custody the following day. What are your thoughts on how deputies handled this situation? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoy real police body cam footage, police encounters, and incident breakdowns, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.